if you answer one survey, you make $7. If you answer 2, you make 14. If you answer 3, you make $21. If you answer 5, you make $35. If you answer 6, you make $42. If you answer 7, you make $49. And if you answer 10, you make $70. It is as simple as that. So all you have to do is to click on this start earning now. I found this survey website where you can earn $10 doing survey on this website, and also you can also play games and make money using this website. Why not stick with me to the end of this video where I show you how this website works and the things available that you can make money from using this particular website. This is a survey website that people living in Nigeria can actually sign up on this website and start making money. Hello beautiful people, my name is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're seeing this video for the very first time, please do watch to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. I'm showing you guys a particular website that actually pays Nigerians in dollars to answer survey questions. Now, what are surveys? Surveys are like feedbacks that companies usually ask from their customers to know how their products are working, whether it is working or not, and how well people actually like their product and what people think about their product. That is what survey is all about. Now, a paid survey means you getting paid for your response. It means you are getting paid to actually give your opinion about a particular item or a particular company or a website. With that being said, guys, this particular website is actually a paid survey website in Nigeria. What they do is Pond app is a safe alternative to earning a passive income with minimal effort or even no effort. You can make some money with Ponds.app by taking surveys. Just share your opinion and get paid for your thought. It is as simple as that. The next thing we need to see are the benefits of this particular website to Nigerian users. Nigerian users can use an unlimited number of devices with their account. All you have to do is ensure that they are on different networks with different IP addresses. Connections, you may use a different device with each network. The Ponds.app is built with privacy, security and safety in mind. All your private data such as contact, devices, storage, gallery, etc. always stays private. The app will never access it or ask for permission to do it. Pond.app only uses what is needed. Now, steps to signing up and start talking surveys and Pond.app. Now, the name of this particular website is called Ponds.app. Ponds.app, spelled as PAWNS.app. So Ponds.app is free and easy to join. All you have to do is to install it on your device. You need to visit the website and then you create an account on the website. Also, you have to create a password. You create the account with an email and then you create a password, and then they send you a message to actually verify your account in your email. Once you click on the link that was sent into your email, you click on it, it takes you to where you actually input your credentials, like your full name, your date of birth, your gender and all of those things. Then you have different platforms that you can download a lot of things from. You also have different games that you can play on this website. You can also install Ponds.app from Google Play Store or App Store. As you can see, this app is actually legit, which means it is available on Google Play Store if you are using an Android device, and Google Apple Store if you are using an iPhone. You put your email and password and then you log in. Next thing is tap the survey tab on your smartphone to see all the available surveys for Nigeria. Pick only one and start answering questions. As soon as you're done, we will add the earnings to your balance. Now the point is, how much can you expect to earn? Your earnings depend on the number of unique surveys you complete through Ponds.app. So it means even if you are signing up using a Chrome browser, it is best that you download their app. The more surveys you can finish successfully, the more you earn. Now if you answer one survey, you make $7. If you answer 2, you make 14. If you answer 3, you make $21. If you answer 5, you make $35. If you answer 6, you make $42. If you answer 7, you make $49. And if you answer 10, you make $70. It is as simple as that. So all you have to do is to click on this start earning now. You allow it to load. Once you click on start earning now, you allow it to load. If you have not subscribed to our channel to this level, please do want to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. And if you are seeing our video for the very first time, please do want to share with your friends and family. Now as you can see, once you hit the download button, you have to come to the Play Store and download it, or the Apple Store and download. Once you download, you sign up and you start taking surveys. It is as simple as that. With that being said, guys, I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.